What if I told you the biggest breakthroughs in science this year sound more like scenes from a sci-fi movie? Human organs grown in pigs, AI models that read your thoughts, and clean energy pulled straight from nuclear fusion. But here's the twist. They're not future predictions. These are real discoveries made in real labs by real scientists right now in 2025. In this video, we're diving into 10 science and technology breakthroughs that are redefining how we live, work, heal, and even think. Some of these might give you hope for humanity's future. Others might make you a little uneasy. But one thing's for sure, you won't see the world the same after this. Number 1. Lab-grown organs. Let's start with a revolutionary shift in medicine. Imagine never needing a donor again. In 2025, scientists have made stunning progress in growing fully functional human organs in the lab using stem cells and 3D bioprinting. These aren't just lab samples. They're organs capable of functioning inside the human body. From kidneys to lungs and even livers, this technology is moving beyond theory and into clinical application. We're witnessing a medical revolution that could end the global organ shortage crisis. The implications are enormous: faster transplants, fewer rejections, reduced dependency on organ donors, and a step closer to personalized organs tailored to your DNA. This breakthrough isn't just about extending life. It's about improving quality of life for millions around the globe. Number 2, AI mind-to-text translation. Now let's talk about something that sounds straight out of science fiction. We're now reading minds seriously. Using AI-powered brain-computer interfaces, researchers can now translate brain activity into readable text. In recent clinical trials, this tech has allowed paralyzed individuals to communicate entire sentences using only their thoughts. The process involves mapping neural signals and running them through deep learning algorithms trained to match specific brain activity with language. This could revolutionize how we treat neurological conditions like ALS, stroke, and locked-in syndrome. And it doesn't stop there. Imagine a world where you can send messages or write emails using your brain alone. Mind-to-machine communication is no longer science fiction. It's happening now. Number 3. Room temperature. Superconductors. Next up, a discovery that could transform global energy as we know it. After decades of hype, it's finally real. Scientists have discovered materials that act as superconductors at room temperature and near atmospheric pressure. These materials allow electricity to flow with zero resistance, no energy lost to heat or friction. Imagine power grids that don't waste energy, bullet trains that levitate, and computers that process information at unprecedented speeds. This could mean longer-lasting batteries, faster internet, and dramatically reduced energy costs. If successfully scaled, this breakthrough could fundamentally reshape how energy is stored, transferred, and consumed worldwide. Number 4. CRISPR 3.0. Now let's dive into gene editing and its latest leap forward. CRISPR just got a major upgrade. In 2025, the third generation of CRISPR gene editing tools now enables more precise edits with fewer errors than ever before. What sets CRISPR 3.0 apart is its ability to target specific RNA sequences, not just DNA. This opens the door to treating conditions like Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and even certain types of cancer before symptoms even appear. Researchers are also exploring how CRISPR can be used to reverse genetic mutations in embryos, offering future generations freedom from inherited diseases. The level of precision we're now seeing would have been unimaginable just 5 years ago. Number 5. AI-designed drugs. Let's move to the future of medicine design, where artificial intelligence is taking the lead. Pharmaceutical R&D just got a turbo boost. AI systems are now designing new drugs faster than any human team could, cutting the development timeline from years to mere months. In 2025, multiple AI-designed compounds are already in clinical trials for diseases like ALS, pancreatic cancer, and autoimmune disorders. These AIs can analyze billions of molecular interactions in hours and pinpoint drug candidates with unmatched speed. The results? More effective treatments, fewer side effects, and dramatically reduced research costs. This could lead to faster cures and more affordable treatments that reach the market sooner. Number 6. Fusion energy breakthrough. Now to the holy grail of clean energy. It's not just a theory anymore. In 2025, several leading labs achieved net positive fusion energy for sustained periods. That means more energy came out of the system than went in, a milestone physicists have been chasing for decades. Fusion energy replicates the process that powers the sun, combining hydrogen atoms to release massive amounts of energy. Unlike nuclear fission, fusion produces no long-lived radioactive waste and has zero risk of meltdown. If commercialized, fusion promises limitless clean energy that could eliminate our reliance on fossil fuels forever. It's clean, safe, and potentially infinite. Number 7. Micro-robots in medicine. Let's shrink things down to the microscopic level, where tiny machines are making huge waves. Picture an army of robots smaller than a grain of sand, navigating your bloodstream like submarines. In 2025, these micro-robots are being used in real clinical settings to target tumors, deliver medication, and even clear dangerous blood clots. Controlled via magnetic fields or acoustic signals, they offer a non-invasive alternative to surgery. The accuracy is astounding. These bots can deliver drugs directly to a cancer cell without affecting surrounding healthy tissue. That means fewer side effects, quicker recovery times, and more personalized medicine for patients. Number 8. Synthetic photosynthesis. Next, a clean energy breakthrough inspired by nature itself. Plants have been using photosynthesis for billions of years. Now we can too, but better. Scientists have developed synthetic photosynthesis systems that absorb carbon dioxide and sunlight to produce energy-dense fuels like hydrogen. These artificial systems are more efficient than natural leaves and don't require soil or water. They can be deployed in deserts, on rooftops, or even in space. This technology could revolutionize how we generate clean energy, offering a sustainable and scalable way to combat climate change while reducing our dependence on fossil fuels. Number 9. Quantum brain scanners. Let's zoom in on the brain with a technology that redefines mental health diagnostics. Forget traditional MRIs. Quantum brain imaging uses ultra-sensitive magnetic field detection to scan the brain with unprecedented resolution. In 2025, these scanners are mapping real-time thoughts, detecting early signs of neurological disorders like dementia and epilepsy, and helping scientists explore the nature of consciousness itself. Unlike standard imaging, quantum scanners can detect fleeting neural signals, enabling earlier and more accurate diagnosis. This could change everything we know about the human mind and offer hope for millions affected by mental illness. Number 10. Biodegradable electronics. And finally, a solution to one of the fastest-growing sources of pollution: e-waste. E-waste is a global disaster, but not for long. In 2025, engineers have created electronics that fully decompose in water or soil after use. We're talking phones, sensors, and even medical implants that vanish once their job is done. These biodegradable components are made from organic materials and dissolve harmlessly into the environment, offering a sustainable alternative to traditional electronics. It's a game changer for both tech companies and environmental efforts, and it's arriving just in time. Outro from AI, reading your thoughts to energy from stars and organs made in labs, 2025 is a turning point. These discoveries aren't coming. They're already shaping our future. Which of these breakthroughs do you think will impact humanity the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the world of science and tech.